Hey guys, how's it going? Got another weekend project. We're gonna be putting these shelves together. Super simple, wood, steel, that's it. The purpose behind this video is to be able to make room. I need to store my car in here, and then I got my workbench, so we wanna be able to store the wood, but not break the bank. Let's jump into it. As you can tell, it was time to upgrade my work area. It's time to jump into this build. These are the supplies that you're going to need. I used a 2x6" lumber cut into 5-foot lengths. You can easily purchase 2x4s of your desired length. 10 feet of 3/4" galvanized pipe cut into 12" legs, and 3.5" lag bolts for mounting. Now if you're going to be doing any cutting with the table saw, you want to make sure that the back of the lumber is nice and flat to be flush against the wall. Seeing how a 2x6 is not a true 2x6 inches, I cut 2 sections down into 2 3/4. In a future build, I'll show you how I made this vacuum system. Works really handy. I'm able to connect it to any one of my tools, and I can also use it to clean up any mess that was left afterwards. Depending on how many legs you're going to be mounting, you'll want to pre-measure your holes evenly. I gave 6 inches on the top and bottom for the lag bolts and 1 directly in the center. I used a 1/2 inch Forstner bit for the lag bolt holes. Then I used a 7/8 inch Forstner bit for the shelf holes. The depth of the cut is going to depend on the width of your wood. For my lag bolt holes, I drilled in 1/2 inch. For my shelf holes, I drilled in 2 inches. Remember, for your shelves, you want to have a lot of meat to give it a lot of support and strength. You can go one of 2 ways on this next step. With a 7/8 inch hole, you can screw your threaded pipes in for a permanent mount. I chose to sand out the hole so that I can remove my pipe shelves if needed in the future. This little trick will help for a speedy sanding of the holes. With one bracket mounted, we can now use it as a base to ensure that the other shelves are perfectly level. This little trick will help you find the studs within your wall. Using magnets, you can find the drywall nails. Time to level and mount the other brackets. Now it's time to test the durability of these shelves. Now you can tell with my horseplay, these shelves are really strong. I weigh 190 and they had no issue holding me up. Alright guys, there we go. Got another weekend project under our belt. Looks pretty good too. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Hit me with a like, subscribe to my channel. You guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, it's another weekend project.